Smart IT offers the option to fully integrate with PrestaShop's e-commerce platform. In this video, I'm going to tell you a little bit more about this feature and show you how it works. What makes this feature so unique is that it allows you to manage your own online store straight from the Smart IT software. You can manage your stock items, their descriptions, inventory groups, stock images, pricing, and stock availability. You can also select which items should be on sale and which should be featured on your website's homepage. All of this will be automatically uploaded to your website once entered into Smart IT. This saves a lot of time and of course money, since you don't need to hire a web developer or someone similar to manage your online store for you. Let's take a look at how easy it is to manage your online store with Smart IT. This is an example of a PrestaShop online store, and this is the home page. When you want to make changes to your online store, you simply have to open Smart IT, click on Stock Items, and then Extended Item Lookup. Here you will find all the items that have been entered into Smart IT. The checkboxes next to the items show you which items are on sale, which have images added to them, which are already on your website, and which are featured on your website's home page. You can make bulk changes to items as well. Let's say, for example, you want to feature all the shirts on your stock list on your website's homepage. First, you have to filter the items in your item list by typing the item name, in this case T-shirt, in the item name column. Now that all of the unnecessary items have been filtered out, you can click on Select/Tick All Visible, and then on Bulk Change Selected. In this window, you can select what changes you would like to make. Here you can choose to remove or add items to your online store, or even to put items on sale. I am now going to select Web and Featured on Web. After doing this, click on the Change Selected button. Now all you need to do is sync these changes with your website. To do this, go to Company and then PrestaShop. Here you have the option of selecting Sync Automatically. And then Smart IT will sync every 15 minutes or whichever time interval you prefer. Otherwise, you can also just sync manually by clicking the Sync button, which we are going to do now. You can now go back to your website and refresh the page. And now you can instantly see the changes that were just made. Here are all the items that we just selected to be featured on our home page. Next, we are going to look at the process of shopping online. First, your customer will click on the product that they are interested in, and then they will select Add to Cart. Thereafter, they will click on Proceed to Checkout. The customer will then proceed by creating an account with all the necessary details for the purchase. The customer will then set up their shipping method as well as their payment options. Normally, this will be done through a payment gateway system like PayFast, which is a safe and easy payment option. Once the orders have been confirmed, they will reflect in your Smart IT software. To process the orders, go back to the Smart IT software and then click on PrestaShop. I am going to sync now so that we can see the orders immediately. But as mentioned earlier, you can select the option for the program to sync automatically. Here you can see that it is checking whether or not any orders have been placed. It is going to show you that there is one new order. All online orders will come through as sales orders, which you can find under quote/sales order. And then you can click on Sales Order Lookup. Here you can see all the orders that have been placed, as well as the status of each order. You can proceed by opening the order and then clicking on Transfer to Invoice. When you get to the payment option, you can enter in the amount next to Direct Bank/EFT and then click on Process. The transaction is now complete and you can get your order ready for your client. You have now seen how user-friendly the e-commerce module is for Smart IT and how it makes it possible for you to manage your online store from the comforts of the Smart IT software. This has been a quick tutorial to show you the basic functions of the Smart IT PrestaShop integration. There is so much more that can be done with this feature. If you require any assistance or more in-depth training on using this feature, please contact us.